I'm Craig,
I'm Steve.
showing you how to shoot glass.
Okay.
Alright, so you can see in our setup here, got a tabletop, wine glass. This is the nice shape. It's not too much of a ball. It's not like a...
Want to have this light on?
no, we'll turn it on in a second. Let's start over.
Let's start over.
Look at it.
Okay.
I'm just going to describe what kind of glass it is.
Okay.
I'm Craig,
I'm Steve.
show you how to shoot glassware.
Show them how to do it.
So, you can see our setup. Our glass is a nice wine glass, red wine glass, not too rounded. It becomes more difficult to shoot it that way. We have it on black plex, but you can choose anything else. Now, typically, we think about shooting most objects with the light coming in front. Now, if we turn on this light, Steve's going to turn on the light coming from the front, and you can see that there'll be a lot of specular highlights. Look at all these reflections because it's all these lenses, and it's just not very attractive. We can't see the shape of the glass. So the better strategy is where we have light behind it and we can see through the glass. As you'll see in the other video, or maybe you've watched it already, we have our Alien B in this particular configuration with the reflector illuminating. What we have here is white seamless paper. You can use white poster board or a white wall. And we are giving us a chance to see the glass by seeing light behind it. Now, when the shots that we're taking, we pan this light up and down and left and right to get the right setup. We traded different size grids. We had on the 20 at one point, the 40. Our final shot was done with a 40-degree grid. And this was aimed, the center of that grid, pretty much where the center of the glass lined up. Now, long focal length, as always. If you have your T6, 55 millimeter is good. Gives you a little bit more working distance. 100 ISO, automatic white balance, and watch that video for the shots that show you the progression. And we can't stress enough, experiment. You'll see that there are 3 or 4 shots in there that we took it beyond, and we hopefully you'll have time to do that. Steve, anything else to add?
No, I think you got it all covered. Have fun with it.
All right, and this is our setup, and we just happen to be doing it here in the studio, but you can do it in your garage or your room.